فلما بلغ معه السعي قال يا بني إني أرى في المنام أني أذبحك فانظر ماذا ترى.
O my dear son, I have seen in a dream that I must sacrifice you. Message from this ayat. One of the most difficult tests in human history. It is a test for an old age person who has been deprived of children for years and then granted a son in his old age. It was natural to have a strong bonding with him. He was ordered to slaughter that son, so he neither hesitated nor delayed. He knew very well that the dreams of the prophets are also revelations. He went out for it, even though this command of Almighty Allah was against the desire of his heart. That is why Ibrahim salam is clearly called Ummah, because the status of the Almighty Allah was on top of everything in his heart, even more than his own existence. Allah's mercy is greater than that he would have compelled his Khalil the sacrifice of his son. However, seeing that Ibrahim's heart was more interested in his son Ismael salam, he ordered that he be slaughtered. Actually, there are some hearts in which Allah does not want at all that anyone else has a share in them other than him. So the real purpose of this incident of slaughter of Ibrahim's son was to test Ibrahim's love of Ismail in his heart.